sound of a beginning reverberates in my ears. It came quietly in a flash. Happy birthday, my heart. Welcome to my new life. All this time you beating another guy. I'm fighting. I hope my bones and skin stop resisting. Innovation is for our own good. Hollow ones are seized fire, but the parties are keen on war. The defense mechanism is so strong. My soul is desperate, but there's no other way. Adaptation's the outcome of the sport.